In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashed lines in Figma. If you've ever wanted a cleaner way to show separation, movement, or emphasis without a solid stroke, dashed lines are a perfect fit, and Figma makes them easy to set up. Start by drawing or selecting any object that already has a stroke. You can use the line tool by pressing L, or pick any basic shape like a rectangle, ellipse, or polygon. Dashed lines work on shapes too, not just straight lines, as long as the object has a stroke applied. With your layer selected, look to the right sidebar and find the stroke section. If you don't see it, that simply means the layer doesn't have a stroke yet. Click Add Stroke to apply one so you can access the controls you need. Next, open the Advanced Stroke settings. In the Stroke panel, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click that to expand the options. Here, you'll find the Stroke Style control. By default, it's set to solid. Change it from solid to dashed. The moment you do, Figma will reveal fields for the dash pattern. You'll see 2 key inputs, dash and gap. Dash controls the length of each visible segment, measured in pixels, and gap controls the spacing between those segments, also in pixels. Think of dash as how long each dash appears, and gap as the empty space that follows. Enter values that suit your design. For example, type 5 for the dash length and 10 for the gap. As soon as you confirm those numbers, your line or shape will switch to a dashed pattern right on the canvas. A few tips while you're adjusting these values. Smaller dash numbers create tighter, shorter dashes, and larger numbers produce longer stripes. The gap value determines how open or dense the pattern feels. Because these values are in pixels, the look of your dash pattern is tied to the size of the object. If you scale a shape up or down later, you may want to revisit the dash and gap numbers to keep the visual rhythm consistent with the rest of your design. Remember, this approach works equally well for borders around shapes and for standalone lines, so you can keep your styling consistent across frames, buttons, callouts, and diagrams. And the best part is that everything updates in real time, so you can dial in a pattern that feels just right. That's all there is to it. Adjust dash and gap, preview the result, and you've got a clean, customizable dashed line in Figma.